Hey everybody, so we're back out here at the storage space. Obviously I'm gonna work on cleaning up the motor today, and we're gonna install the top nut that I powder coated here. So I don't know how long this is gonna be, but you know, I'm gonna do some cleanup work and stuff so me and Easy Rider can replace a couple of the O-rings and gaskets on the oil side. So hang on and we'll see you in a minute. It up so I don't jack up the powder coating. We'll just wrap it around here. I don't know if this is gonna work, but maybe. Let's see. Alright. Super 33, good for everything. There we go. Now I can get a good bite on it. This should already be loose, which it is. So, let's see if we can get this back in here. I'm hoping. We may or may not have to jack up the front end. Yeah, I'm not sure this is going to go on without lifting it up. Let me get the jack and we'll put it under here. Hang on. Alright guys, so I took off the tire. I had to take off the tire anyways because I want to replace the Speedo drive. Let me show you. This guy here, I'm going to replace. I have a brand new one of these with a new cable, so let's do that. After we put the nut on here, I did get it started. So took some of the weight off of the triple tree here by taking the tire off very gingerly. Tighten this up without trying to make any marks. Alright, that's it. Now I actually have another axle. It was brand new. I gotta find the other tire, and it's probably all in there. Let me find that, and then we'll move some of the stuff and put it on. Alright everybody, I got it on there with some minimal damage. It looks different, you know. Normally that's like polished or whatever, but I was like, screw it. You can see I got a little bit of the corner there. It's alright. It's gonna live. Also my axle, I'll show you this. Here's the speedometer that goes on this side. It goes right in between there, basically, like that. Well, technically it's more like that or whatever. But I can't find my new one, and I can't find my axle, so I'm gonna have to dig around. It's in here somewhere. I don't know where. But now I thought we could kind of move on to getting some of the crud off of here. I bought a couple of things. Number one, I bought parts cleaner and degreaser, Pro Series. I don't know, it's giant. The other thing that I got, where is it? There it is engine cleaner, foamy. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'll just try and stay away from the motor. Right there, we'll just try and stay away from it, and we'll clean it the best I can. Where's that? I have a brush. This brush, it's like a parts cleaner brush. We'll spray that on there, and then we'll clean it up with this. And I don't know, maybe we'll follow it up with some parts degreaser or some brake parts cleaner or something. All right, hang on. I can't believe it. Remember I said I can't find my axle? Here it is. After I just put this one on without the speedometer. Well, now let's take this and put it somewhere where I'll remember it. It's like my Harley part stuff. We'll have to change that because you see it's like practically brand new. This is all brand new. Well, I wish I would have found that about 10 seconds, you know, not 10 seconds ago, a couple of minutes ago. What else is in here? Tank bolts. Need these tank bolts. I lost this one over on this side, but I have all new ones, so we're gonna set those right there. Tank is right there, you can see it. Here's my fender, just keeping it out of the way. Yeah, you can't really tell, is it gonna rain, not rain? I don't know. It kind of feels like the wind's kicking up. That's why I wanted to get the front wheel on this thing again, so in case I had to, I could roll this in. Let me check the weather before I start doing all this, because if it's gonna rain, I don't want to do it. All right, guys, let's. I don't know if it's gonna rain or not. It doesn't look like it. I mean, it's eventually at some point, but not within the next like hour. So let's see what we can do with this stuff. Got my concrete mixing pan that Easy Rider gave me. All right, so let's just try and stay away from the motory stuff, the electrical motor stuff. Oh. All right. Let's do that. We're going to stay away from the digital points too. Okay. Sizzling. All right, you can hear it sizzling. The case was pretty clean. Man, this stuff's stinky. If you're gonna use this stuff, make sure you do it outside, in the open air, you know. I don't even know if we actually have to paint this. I mean, it looks pretty good. Alright, hopefully there's no adverse reaction. Alright, let's find a rag here. The chrome on this side, on the outer primary, is pretty kind of beat to begin with. I kind of had a feeling these things were going to go quick. Oh, it's a broken piece of the... Oh, that's the piece that's missing. I don't know how much I'm actually going to like super duper clean this. I need to clean it enough. We had some oil built up over here because we're leaking from here and here and here and here. So some of this just kind of was down in the valley here. We're gonna have to go and clean all the chrome again for sure. Even like a little chalky white residue. That's no big deal. I've got some wadding polish, if you never seen that before. It kind of oily cotton, and it'll help polish this up. Like I polished this one with some of it before I did this, and you can see the difference. Like right here, you see, you can't really wipe it off, but that stuff the wadding polish will get on there. I don't know. I mean, we could sit here and scrub on it, paint it. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Alright guys, I think that's what I'm gonna do for today. I'll work on it a little bit more, but I think that's all I'm gonna film. So tomorrow we've got my burger 3-in-1 welder video. That one's about 40 minutes long. Guys should check that out. I know this probably isn't coming out for a week, but go back and check that out if you haven't seen it. Learn how to TIG weld. Not really. But yeah, we mess around with it or whatnot. So alright guys, we'll see you on the next one. Alright, easy.